Awesome. So, inquire via email. It comes back to here. And then now I've been able to add the second page. It was a little bit difficult, but then it just fixed itself. So inquire via email. I don't want this inquire via email. I want it to be get in touch. Yeah, yeah, instead of saying that inquire via email. So let me go and this button. I'll ask it to change inquire via email. I'll say inquire via email to. So let me open my Whisper and say, hey, can you change inquire via email to get in touch, because that will be consistent to the home page, because home page about the fold it was called get in touch. Thank you. Then escape. Where did the conversation go? Hey, hey, yes. Hey, can you change inquire via email on the schedule page to get in touch, so that it's inconsistent to the about the fold get in touch button. Yeah, so I just want to change this first, and then I have a big list of schedule which I will let me also check whether this live is just checking whether this live is on. Yeah, the live is pretty much on.
Papa? Papa? Are you on a call or something? Can you help me open this? One of them. Or two.
Everything is stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
You might have to keep it outside
And
and then break it further.
No, can you no unpeel it also? It's hard to unpeel.
No, peeling should be easy.
No, it is. See, look.
Yeah, like that, yes. Peeling should be easy.
But why is the chocolate outside the pack?
Can you keep it back a look, the entire one?
No, wait.
My son just came to give me a chocolate. Yeah. So let me go back. Click on view schedules. Yeah, get in touch is perfect. So let me go back to home. Yeah, it'll go to get in touch. Click here. Get in touch. Yeah, for some reason. Please check whether the get in touch button on the schedule page has the same font and size as that of the home page button fonts, and let me know whether they're all the same, because for some reason it looks different. checking whether the fonts are the same, because for some reason it's looking different. I could have right clicked and checked. View schedule. Yeah, this is the right font, because somehow they had made it bold, and that was not looking good. Yeah, so these are the minor small things that one has to actually see and get it corrected. You can have a good prompt right at the beginning saying that, keep all the buttons consistent, but otherwise, even if the LLM makes a mistake, make sure that it's all there. Yeah. Now I have this entire list of this entire list has to be uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to download. Save. Let me open and check. No, not this one. This is the schedule. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to download this. No, I don't want to save it again. And now I'll go back here and I'll upload this file, upload files. Let me take it from my downloads. This is the schedule. Let me do it again for some reason. Hey, I've uploaded the entire schedule for Spiral Way for the 2026. Study this and make appropriate changes on the Spiral Way schedule page. Copy and paste it here. Okay, I'll just escape it. Then now, hey, I have uploaded the entire schedule for Spiral Way in the PDF. Just read the PDF and correct the page, schedule page appropriately. And I'm going to paste that. For some reason it's not working. I don't know. I'm going to use the speech to text here. For some reason speech to text is not working. Read. I cannot type anything. Okay, so I cannot send any prompt. Why can't I send any remove file? I have no clue why I cannot. Let me refresh this entirely. Hey, yes, Prashant, there is an anti-gravity. Have no idea. I've been also following on the internet. It is not, the model is not working, if you see. So I'm using AI Studio, because right now I just have to correct. See, it's working right now. Oh wow, Prashant, it's working. The model is working now. It's not. It was not working for a couple of hours now. Now it started working. But anyways, I started working on AI Studio. AI Studio for some reason was working, and then I had to, quickly edit this website and give it to my client. So I started doing my work. Yeah. So hey, I'm going to upload the schedules for the entire to 2026. Please go through the PDF and correct the schedules page appropriately. Make sure everything, all the style and all the fonts and everything is the same across the website, and edit only the schedule page as of now. Thank you. Yes, Prashant, thank you. Yeah, finally, a few hours. It was just a big mess. But I've started my work in AI Studio, so I'll just finish this whole thing and then go back mm, to my AI Studio one. I think maybe I should change the topic, the title of the video, but then that's all right. Thanks for coming in. If you want to subscribe, like my page, that will be very nice. Yeah. Meanwhile, let me edit my entire website. As it's editing the entire website. You can, Prashant, if you're there, you can tell me what you do. If you have your own projects, if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Super. See you, Prashant. Let me go back and see my view schedule. Yes. My view schedule is done now. Hybrid studio, this is all going to be free. In-person Arhatic yoga, this is all going to be free. Chai Pe Charcha, this is free. Special courses, 1 rupee courses and duration. Registration open, this is registration closed. AI and the discipleship is not sure whether the registration is open for these two. AI at work.ai is registration is open. So let me just change that. Hey, for AI at work.io, the registration is open. And for studying discipleship, you can say that registration will be announced. So you can, so that all the columns in the long duration program is consistent, and use necessary appropriate colors for each section. Registration closed color is fantastic, and registration open color is also fantastic. Thanks for doing so. I'm not a very great fan of writing the prompts appropriately. I just speak through. I don't mind. And all the LLMs right now are good enough for speech recognition. Yes, let me again go back. I think must have done the view schedule page. Going back to the view schedule. Practice. Yes, registration will be announced. Awesome. This is all our registration open, and registration will be announced. Awesome. Awesome. So this is done. Okay, so here, only on the scroll I can see it. Over here I cannot see it. I have no clue why that's there. Let me go to back to start. Let me refresh. Go back to my apps. Go back to spiral way again. And check. Yeah, so this is because it's inconsistent with the home page. So it's all white in color. So I want to change it to, or I want the background of the schedule page also to be completely violet. Or I can say that, can you keep the, yeah, I'll ask it to change it consistent with the header. Yeah, so hey, for the schedule page, the header, all the text and everything is white, but the background is also white, so I can't see the text. So can you correct that, sort that for me? Just want to correct this header so everything is nice and clean. I had a background music, a nice beautiful background music. For some reason it stopped. I need to correct that part. Where is my background music? No idea. I think I closed that YouTube thingy. Hello Sharad. What's up? Why was your message retracted? Just want to know. Okay. Yes, no, still. What did you do? No, I'll have to correct it again. Hey, the header, not the header, the menu bar, which is the header, right? The header of the schedule page is also white, and all the buttons and the logo is also white, so I cannot see anything over there. If you can let me know what could be done. Whenever I ask Gemini that what is the issue with this, it tends to solve it much faster than asking it to do it right. If I say it's not working, there are chances that it doesn't correct, But if I say that, hey, can you look into it, what the issue is? Or can you tell me what the issue is? Then it goes and corrects it much better. Hey, by the way, the title of this video is Anti-Gravity Model is not working, but Anti-Gravity Model has started working right now. But then because I started my work with AI Studio, I thought I'll very well continue with doing this. Ah, now it's sorted. See, whenever, no. Let's see whether it's sorted or not. Okay, let me go back, view schedule. There you go. It's sorted the whole thing. But still I have some issue here. Chat. Below the header. I don't want the white space below the header. So that's a cool feature out here, the Antonate app, where you can actually, add text or add a triangle, add an arrow or a comment, or just draw sketches. So I didn't like this. There's a white space here that has been added. I don't want that white space to be there. So I just asked it to remove the white space. Let's see if it's done. No, it's not. It's just the same. I should just pull it that it did not work out. Comes down. Let me just annotate it. Oh, sorry. Let annotate it much better. Let me do this. Space here. White space. Top. Hey, I had annotated. Is that annotated? The place is a white space just below the header and above the section. Can you tell me why this problem is still existing? Usually saying Gemini that why is the problem still existing, or what what is the problem. And it's a stronger command, and it edits it for us rather than saying that can you do this for me. If you just ask it that why is this issue occurring, then probably it thinks much better and comes to a better conclusion. I think this is the last correction that I need to do after this. Everything else. What is I ching? I don't know. This is how I'm gonna program. Let me just go check. Yeah, it's gone. Awesome. And like I said, okay. Hey, in the file that I uploaded, there are certain programs which is for 2027 also. Can you add those programs also, just color coded differently or mention subtly somewhere that it's a 2027 program? That's about it. But do mention in the sheet, even though this is a 2026 calendar, definitely mention the 2027 program, but somewhere subtly mention that it's a 2027 program. That's all that you need to mention extra so that people know that it's a 2027 program. Yeah, if you can do that, that will be very nice. Thank you. Send prompts. I'm about to finish the website. Then my next stage is I'll have to upload this AI Studio website in my hosting, which is in hosting up. Is there a 27 program? I don't think so. There is anything which is 2027. Maybe it will check. And let me know there's no 27. Let me go to upcoming events. Spiritual essence of man. Where is the spiritual essence of man? Human Studies Part 1. Can't see any of those programs. I think it hallucinated a little bit. think this should be fine because it just hallucinated. I don't know where it took these files from. Very weird. Yeah, I think this is everything is done now. I have to download it and host it in Hostinga. Let me go back to Hostinga. My account. Let me log in into my account. And sign in. And the host the entire thing in Hostinga. Yeah. This is where the spiral way is. Just go to the dashboard of the spiral way. What I'll do is I'll end the stream and then restart the whole thing of how to host as a new live. That should be good. Yeah, let me go back to my